ครับช่วงนี้ก็ขอได้เดินท่านผู้เกียรติทุกท่านตั้งใจก้าวคำบูชาพระรัตนตรัยและอาราธนาเข้ามาทางเต้นต่อไปครับพระนามพระองค์ขึ้นครับนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะอิมินาสการเรนะพุทธังปูเชมะอิมินาสการเรนะธัมมังปูเชมะอิมินาสการเรนะสังฆังปูเชมะข้าพเจ้าทั้งหลายขอนอบน้อมบูชากราบไหว้พระผู้มีพระภาคเจ้าพร้อมทั้งพระธรรมและหมู่สงฆ์พร้อมด้วยกายวาจาใจกราบพระพร้อมกันครับอะระหังสัมมาสัมพุทโธภะคะวาพุทธังภะคะวันตังอภิวาเทมิสวากขาโตภะคะวะตะโมธัมมังนัมมัสสามิสุปฏิปันโนภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆสังฆังนะมามิสาธุมะยังพันเตวิสุขะนักายะติสระเดหัสหะปัญจศีลานิยาจามะทุติยัมปิมะยังพันเตวิสุขะนักายะติสระเดหัสหะปัญจศีลานิยาจามะตติยัมปิมะยังพันเตวิสุขะนักายะติสระเดหัสหะปัญจศีลานิยาจามะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะพุทธังสรณังคัจฉามิธัมมังสรณังคัจฉามิสังฆังสรณังคัจฉามิทุติยัมปิพุทธังสรณังคัจฉามิทุติยัมปิธัมมังสรณังคัจฉามิทุติยัมปิสังฆังสรณังคัจฉามิตติยัมปิพุทธังสรณังคัจฉามิตติยัมปิธัมมังสรณังคัจฉามิตติยัมปิสังฆังสรณังคัจฉามิอามะพันเตปานาติปาตาเวระมณีสิกขาปะทังสมาธิยามิอ
อะทินนาทานาเวรมณีสิกขาปะทังสมาธิยามิกาเมสุมิชาจาราเวรมณีสิกขาปะทังสมาธิยามิมุสาวาทาเวรมณีสิกขาปะทังสมาธิยามิสุราเมรยมัชฌัปมาทฐานาเวรมณีสิกขาปะทังสมาธิยามิสาธุสาธุสาธุพระมาจะโลกาธิปติสรณปฏิอัตถัญชลียทิวะรังอายาจาธาสันติภะสกาปะทัคชาติกาเฮเสตุธรรมังนุกัมภิมังปัจฉังWelcome to Thailand to the Wat Polo Temple. Very happy today. Today I want to talk to you. You must not respect. Respect the Buddha Dhamma Sangha. This from the Buddhist school. This meaning the learning before you start in life. Now you come to Thailand. You want to learn. Then start everything. How to follow my target. I follow the master. I follow from the Buddha. It's one morning in the Saksi Vipassana Kammathan. You must do a step by step. Then the culture. This day you come and you wake up early morning. You start to come. You shave. From the normal people from that and up and do good thing and thinking positive thinking. You have a target you want to do, you must concern and meaning that follow the target, follow the target also. Everything you put in, you can lost. You can't continue with target. You learn, you do the Thai people, you want to learn. Okay, the Thai people have the culture is humble. Humble and made up. You want to do, you want to make a really something you don't like. You don't like you think, relax, enjoy, meditation. And how to learn and happy. I know you want to You must do pre-engineering by yourself. Itu lah step by step. Everybody learn unhappy. Meaning the karma is good karma or bad karma for people in karma. The Thailand and then we learn from the culture. The believe that the karma somehow. How to know? You must learn unhappy. Unhappy many things. It's a rich people, poor people, different. But the same market. You cannot control the emotion and feeling. It's a good thing. How to do? You take care of family, you take care of Papa, Mama, and all your friends, your family, your company, your friend, your country. It's my language. I want to make the relationship with your country. It's meaning that ASEAN is a single country for the food. Meaning India culture is the same in Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Myanmar, Brunei. This is for the country, Islam country. Islam country have a people or Muslim. It means the Chinese people. You follow the Papa Mama. Somebody is a Christian, and Islam, and both Islam. How to put in how they put guy, one learn smart, how to smart, or compass. This putting karma. Who the Papa Mama, you love Papa Mama, you say, why you say? Because you learn Papa Mama, talking, learn to take care of the people, education, or young. Now it's continuing support and sponsor for you. Everything. Like, one respect and send the phone to send the mails for your Papa Mama. The good thing is a very big karma. It's a Rosa and Ning Mongs. Ning Mong is a Thailand culture can start 20 years. If you motivate, you can start small. Because you want to learn when you share the knowledge will come to painful. And you is master and Raja and teach you something. And good thing something. You want something much happen. You share your Papa, Mama, and your family, and your friend. You think you share something is good. It's good. Very good for you. How to do the good thing? You must learn the team and record. And continue the practice step by step, step by step. One more thing I talked to you last time. If you do the good thing is a continue. It's not step by step, not how long time. Culture long time you must learn how to do the uniform. The same uniform. Now is not meaning the not. Not is not sorry for the long time. Not need to go to more, go to much. But now is mainly policy. Is not people okay, I would like to talk to you again before after this how to become listening and not is good for you. One more thing about you want to learn the how is really the Sila, Than, Sila, Thana is a key. Sila is the 5 pieces. And the Purana is meditation. It's a C is the Mati Panya. It's called the Mom Master. C is Sila. Sila is 227. Not 5, not 8, not 10. It's 227. 127 pieces. It's not easy to do. Not easy to do. And Sila, the Samadhi is meditation. Meditation has to do is You must move up. If you continue, you have to acknowledge awareness and stop. Up and down is many things for the S or the do good thing for you. You want I would like to teach you. I want to share the master, share the what world is like. Everything that you record, remember it. You can make updates you mention the new thing, the meaning you have. Why else you have learned how to live in the life, meaning the negative, how to release the wisdom meaning is panya, you don't get wisdom. But how to have the panya is meaning wisdom. Believe you must enjoy the relax, meditation, and learn to take a leg of Oda, new people. These high people have a thinking different. You must have a solution, have the integrated thinking, and enjoy, take the leg of, learn step by step. You follow the process, enjoy how to do. I think you meaning without is happy every day, every time. It's unhappy you must share, you're happy, your girlfriend, your family, relax condition. Because you can move. After that, you learn and live from the key. Also from Thailand, from the master, from the Kawan, have a target, have a solution, is a new management, new intelligence, and a fusion and innovation for the hunter and share of everyone. International level, I realize meaning that really good information and share for you. When you put, when you update, when you share yourself, you must have a smart, intelligent update. Maybe I have a pencil there. This I believe comes from joy, but even for you. How think about the infant? Okay, our infant is very important. It's a network for make the specific platform. Platform is very much, very happy. Because this area is living old town. It's a growing. It's a big network for you. When you learn, you happy, you subsidize. How to love the data and the Wi-Fi is the only thing you enjoy. I don't think you make it hard. It's how to do things. Do something, Java is a certain, and then make up for you. Nothing. We move fast for you, something for you. When you change, you have the energy, you have the power, you are not to run by yourself. You need to do like the Buddhism and Thai Bali language. Bali language have a power, means side, have a power. Who take good power for your body? Change your body. Because if you put time, you chanting, meditation, you send the phone there, and you do it every time. It's body, slow life. You send by yourself, you do continue. Everybody must stand in the chair. The technique is different, but the target is the same. It's everybody, the more same body is noting everything. to solve the unhappy and the next solution is a Makmir. It's a alias of learn within the unhappy. How to know unhappy is a karma. And how to solve it happy. You must learn through the routine. And the Makmir is a tool and reviews. You can check it with ego. How to put down ego. You must check from the meditation. Buddha is concerned willing to have that only we will bring out. Don't think so much. I hope everybody start home enjoy the newborn is the real name is a change the name change leg start new guy new world new name. I'm very happy for some final and under the upload, under the upload, this is the list of the upload, meta. After that, okay, I would like to say very happy and enjoy welcome to the upload channel under the council. Everything share and give for you is a top Dhamma talk is needed because of the tradition somehow in the first after that I want to hope you happy, relax, enjoy working so much. Who culture suddenly happy, lucky.
ครับวันนี้พระพุทธเจ้าได้แสดงพระธรรมเทศนาเทศสอนหน้าทั้ง5รูปก็เสร็จสิ้นลงและเป็นข้อคิดสนิทใจก่อนที่พระนาคทั้ง5จะเข้าพระอุโบสถนะครับได้นำไปประพฤติปฏิบัติท่านได้ศึกษาลาเพศไปจะได้จดจำไปนะครับอาจจะมีก็ให้เจอที่ครับครับขอเชิญคุณติดตามติดโชคประธานบริษัทแกนในห้องเสกได้ถวายฐานการเทศขอเชิญด้วยความเคารพอาตมาโมทนาสาธุนะครับผมให้ทั้งอย่างพร้อมกันครับ1 2 3สาธุสาธุสาธุอนุโมทนามิครับลำดับต่อไปก็ขอให้คณะนั้นตั้งใจกรวดน้ำอุทิศส่วนบุญส่วนกุศลไปให้กับปู่ย่าตายายนะครับตั้งใจกรวดน้ำและรับพรจากพระคุณท่านเป็นภาษาบาลีเป็นลำดับสุดท้ายของการพัฒนาทั้งหมดครับ
ยะถาวะริวะปุราริปุเรนติสาภะลังเอวะเมวะอิโตตินังเภรนังอุปกัปปติอิทิตังปฏิตังตุมังคิปะเมวะจัตจตุสัพเพปุเรนตุสังกปาจันโทปนะหะโสยะถามณิโชติยะโสยะถาสัพพิ
ดับละพร้อมๆกันครับอาลาหังสัมมาสัมพุทโธภะคะวาพุทธังภะคะวันตังอะภิวาเทมิสวากขาโตภะคะวะตาธัมโมธัมมังนัมมัสสามิสุปฏิปันโนภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆสังฆังนัมมามิครับสักครู่นะครับ